Hey guys, I have a new subscription called Luna Stone, $25 per month plus free shipping. It's brand new to the subscription world, and with the new launch, you can choose a free duffel bag or baseball cap. Summer Boss Babe Box. Be the boss of your own summer, babe. Soak up the sun, take some time for yourself, love your body, and let your confidence shine. You deserve it. It comes with between 6 to 9 products, so let's see what's in the box. Alrighty, we have a little thank you card. This was sent for me free for review, by the way. Some stickers. Your order made my day, and I hope this package makes yours. All right, so the first item is this Collagen Elasticity one-sheet mask, and it looks like the brand might be You Need. The typical mask, you just have a clean face, put it on, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and after remove, you just massage in the remaining solution. And then there's a list of just too many ingredients to name, but it said it gives elasticity to the loose skin and minimizes wrinkles. Okay, so the next is a little ice cream cone, and it's an actually it's an emery board, so that always comes in handy. And then a little treat, a little package of Skittles. And let's see, we have a sample here of sunscreen protection, 46 SPF. Oh, matte and light. So you get a little bit of color with this. It is just a 3 milliliter sample though. Okay, the next is a sample of a Neutrogena makeup remover, ultra soft cleansing towelette. Okay, so that's just a single use, but that's really nice to take with. That I will definitely drop in my purse. Don't wear makeup often, but you never know. It's nice to have. And then the next is this headband, which is super cute. I love a headband. I always use it for my face skincare. I love the little bow on top. I've wanted one like this. It's pretty cute little red and white stripe bow. So I'll definitely get some use out of that. And then some plastic shades, which I would have to put buy a lens and put it inside there. I can't wear the shades. I can't see, unless they go over your glasses, but that's really neat. So but most people would be able to use the shades. And then pink to put your drink inside. I'm spacing out on what you call this, a little cubby holder or whatever, but yeah, that's really cool. I definitely will get some use out of that one. Nice to keep the drink cool in a hot sun. Or I guess warm if you needed it. All right, looks like some earrings. A couple pair maybe. Some turquoise. Looks like a silver tone, maybe Aztec. What do we have? Oh, okay, so it's one pair. It has a little turquoise ball, silver tone, and then the round dangling piece. So it looks like they dangle, so maybe 1.5 to 2 inches. A little turquoise ball. That silver tone has the red and then a little green in the center. Nothing on the back, so not silver, but just silver tone. Okay, so then the next is a little black wristlet, and it's a faux, maybe a faux croc style. Solid black. Inside is a red. I don't see anything, no name brand or anything. And then this would be the free duffel bag. So for the new people who sign up until August 1st, you can choose between a baseball cap or a duffel bag. So when they contacted me, I said I'll try the duffel bag. I was hoping for pink, but it's okay. I mean, it's a free duffel bag, right? So it says, wind blows, river flows, created by travel. Has a front zipper, zippers on the top, and then the gray handles. Alrighty, so the next will be, looks like a chapstick. So it's grape with vitamin E, chap lip balm. I don't typically use a chapstick. Sounds good though. It's grape, has coconut oil, vitamin E, so we'll see. Alright, so the last one looks like a key ring for your keys, a keychain. Looks like it, goes around your hand so you can actually hold on to it. So that's kind of neat. Gold tone. Pretty colors of pink and green and white. Or to actually hang the keys, right? That would be nice. All right, I don't think there's anything else left in the box, so let's do a recap. So the duffel bag now is just free with the launch up until August 1st. So there's that. Then the wristlet, the sunglasses, and let's see, the pink cup holder, the chapstick in grape, the keychain, and then these earrings. So those looks actually like real turquoise, not sterling silver though. 1.5 to between a 1.5 and 2 inch dangle, I would say. And then the headband, red and white stripe. And then we have some samples. We have the Skittles, the emery board, sunscreen, and makeup remover samples, and then the collagen sheet mask. So I had to try out my new headband and use this sheet mask, which absolutely feels amazing. I'm not familiar with this brand You Need, but any type of a sheet mask like this is just so nice. It's so moisturizing. There was so much extra in this container. I was able to rub it all over my neck as well. And I will get many uses out of that headband. I'm going to have to look up the You Need brand because this really is a nice sheet mask. So we know it has the collagen, which is always great for those of us around age 60. I'm kind of looking at the back to see what other ingredients, because it feels so good. It says Joby Mawin seed extract. Yeah, I don't know, it was nice, so let's go ahead and check out the earrings. Now, I don't actually wear jewelry, but I do sell it on Poshmark. So I have a gemstone tester, and I tested these. These are a gemstone, so these are definitely are turquoise. They are not sterling silver. They do dangle approximately 1 6/8 inch. Now, I don't know if they're always going to have earrings in their subscription, but for jewelry lovers, that's something you might enjoy receiving in this subscription. So up until August 1st, you get the choice of a free gift of a baseball cap or duffel bag. You can order through Cratejoy for $25, free shipping, and it is a quarterly subscription. It's a self-care accessory subscription box. Oh, okay, and right here it says you will receive 1 jewelry product every box. You receive 6 to 9 products with at least 1 jewelry product, 1 hair accessory, 1 beauty or skincare product, plus 1 sweet treat, plus much more. And you can cancel at any time. I will put all of the information below in the description. And as always, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.